Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate and almond meal bites. First, melt the chocolate on a double boiler, then combine equal amounts of chocolate and almond meal. I'm using this candy mold. I'm going to transfer it and then put it in the fridge until it's firm. Looks beautiful. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. And thank you for watching.